Google VO3 AI. Are you still spending hours filming and editing videos, only to wish there was a faster, cheaper way to bring your ideas to life? What if you could create cinematic quality clips with sound and motion without even touching a camera? Meet Google VO3, the newest and most powerful AI video generation model from Google DeepMind, announced at Google I/O 2025. This isn't just another video tool, it's a leap forward in how stories and content are made. VO3 can produce high-quality 8-second videos in either 720 pixels or 1080 pixels resolution, all from a simple text or image prompt. What makes VO3 stand out is its native audio generation. It doesn't just give you silent clips, it syncs sound effects, ambient noises, and even dialogue with perfect lip syncing. Whether you need a dramatic voiceover or the hum of city streets, VO3 handles it automatically. VO3 also offers precise creative control. You can guide the style of your video, add or remove objects in a scene, and even set smooth camera movements or customize motion. Integrated with Google's new AI filmmaking platform Flow, VO3 takes video creation to a professional level, turning your prompts into polished, cinematic content. It's not just for filmmakers. Social media creators, marketers, educators, and businesses can all benefit. Whether you're crafting viral clips, time travel animations, or quick prototypes for clients, VO3 makes the process effortless. And to combat misinformation, every VO-generated video carries an invisible Synth ID watermark, ensuring transparency. You can access VO3 in the United States through Google's Gemini app under Pro and Ultra subscription plans, or via Google Vertex AI for enterprise-scale production. Starting at $249.99 United States dollars per month for AI Ultra, it's an investment that replaces costly gear and production crews. Why struggle with traditional filming when Google VO can generate stunning visuals and audio in seconds? Try VO3 today and see how AI is rewriting the rules of video creation.